Prepare to have your jaw dropped as we dive into the wildest and most hair-raising encounters between people and our animal cousins. Get ready as Mother Nature shows her true colors. Because after all, damn nature, you scary. If you live in North America, you've probably come across a raccoon trying to get in your garbage cans before. But where there's raccoons, there are other forest creatures with designs on your trash.
Oh my god, that's a f***ing bear. Okay, careful.
Let's go. Watch the barb, watch the barb.
Oh
watch
my
the barb.
god.
Watch the barb. Careful, Steve.
Steve Harwin. Lo vista gel.
I got it all on video. Idiots.
For some of Mother Nature's creations, there's only one way to deal with them. Fire. Send them back to hell where they came from.
काम कर रहा है भाईला
Sometimes, Mother Nature likes to remind us where the boundaries are. Some creatures belong on land, while others are meant for the sea.
চলে দেখলেন আপনারা ও মাই গড একেবারে ভাই আপনারা একটু ওদিকে চলে যান
What do you think this fish was really after? The hot dog or the girl?
That's the one.
और हमारे भागवत भाऊ काले इन्होंने हमेशा की तरह फोन कॉल करके यहाँ बुला लिया आपको बाहर निकलने का बहुत ही सुंदर डोर बनाया अपन का आप लोग देख सकते हैं
Heart pounding doesn't even begin to describe this encounter with the ocean's most magnificent predator. This awe-inspiring spectacle demonstrates how puny we are in relation to the most massive sharks swimming in the deep blue. Let's get one thing straight. If a rhino wants to tear open your flimsy car like a tin can, he's going to do so regardless of your feelings.
Don't hit my car. Oh my god.
David, I
Oh
do
my
not
god.
like that.
Oh my god. Lovely. Oh, yeah.
Wait for it.
Of all the signs you should really pay attention to, the ones that say, "Danger, crocodiles," are to be heeded. It's there for a reason. And please, if you see it, just assume that there's no need for a sign that says, "No swimming."
There's a good reason why this sign's here. What do you guys think? I think I'm going to stay the 3 feet away. Whoa, he's underneath the dock a little bit. Look at that. He is massive. Oh, man. Oh, here he comes. Oh.
你们让我吐出教学，他给你们看，你们看，把东西拿来给大家看，有东西的嘛。起开。
I'm not sure who needs to hear this, but in the contest between shark and inflatable boat, the shark wins every time. I guarantee you that this next clip will make you double check your shoes before you put them on for the rest of your natural life.
Push whatever this thing is out of here. Oh my god, what is this thing? It's hairy.
Well, I can't really get whatever it is out of the shoe with the pen, so I'm just gonna try and like get it out. Oh man, what is this thing? Oh my god. Oh my god, he is mad. That is a big spider. Oh, he is going in there. He is in there.
Canada or snakes in Australia. Either prospect is not ideal, so why not move to Iceland where there are no snakes and no bears?
Canada is a better country, trust me.
Well, I'm probably swelling up right now. Huge wasp nest in the tree. I got whacked 50 times. I'm talking about. I just felt something hit me and then whack, whack, whack. I was like, oh. Hopefully I don't go into shock and swell up and die. Y'all caught that on video too. Shit. Trying to blow up a beaver house and we get stung by 100 wasps, red wasps too. That hurt. All right guys, I'll see you back in about 5 minutes just to tell you I'm out of breath and I'm freaking shaking. I'll see you in about 5 minutes after I cool down a little bit and make a plan to kill these wasps and the beavers.
Think about it from the shark's perspective. When you're out in the open ocean on your paddleboard, when the shark looks up, you look exactly like a tasty seal.
Hard to tell. Keep coming. Keep coming. Sit down. Yep. Gabe, stay there. Gabe. Gabe.
This is why you should not.
Gabe. Gabe.
Gabe.
Hammerhead shark right here. Gabe, stay there.
Hammerhead.
It was following your board. Holy fuck. Right off the bat. It was like right, his head was underneath your board.
Fantastic.
I think it's, where's it at?
Well, I don't think he's gone, but I think he went that way.
Here, let me stand up on the, that was gnarly. That was crazy. Did you get a good picture of it, Jason? I think so. It was, hold on. Let's stay close to the boat for now. Yeah.
Our tour of the animal kingdom and its stark contrast with our world has come to a conclusion. Thanks for watching. Drop us a like and subscribe to the channel. We'll return post-haste with more content that's sure to tickle the pleasure centers of your brain. See you next time.